If you want to become rich, you need to set realistic goals and plan to achieve them. You need to be willing to work hard and make sacrifices. You also need to be smart with your money and invest it wisely. In this video, I am going to share with you what are some things you can do to become rich. 1. Invest in stocks. Investing in stocks can be a powerful tool for growing your wealth over time. Stocks represent ownership in a company, and as the company performs well, its stock price can increase. This price appreciation can lead to significant gains when you sell your shares. Some companies also distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. These can be a source of regular income, but they're not guaranteed. Before I continue, if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button so you make sure to never miss my weekly videos on wealth creation tips. A company's decision to pay dividends can change based on its financial health and plans. When investing in stocks, it's crucial to diversify your portfolio across different companies and industries. This helps spread your risk and reduces the impact of a single company's struggles on your overall investment performance. The money you make from your investments, whether through stock price appreciation or dividends, can be reinvested to purchase additional shares. This process of reinvesting your earnings allows you to benefit from compound interest, which can significantly accelerate your wealth growth over the long term. Building wealth through stock ownership is a long-term strategy. Stock markets experience fluctuations, so short-term gains or losses shouldn't deter you from your investment goals. Focus on a well-diversified, long-term approach for optimal results. Investing involves inherent risks. Always do your research, understand your risk tolerance, and consider consulting a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. 2. Create multiple streams of income. This can include starting a side business, investing in real estate, or even something as simple as starting a blog. Here are some side business ideas that you can consider. Photography. If you're good at photography, you can sell your photos online on websites like Alamy and Shutterstock or offer your services as a photographer. Design. If you have design skills, you can offer your services as a graphic designer, web designer, or logo designer on websites like Fiverr. Crafting. If you're crafty, you can sell your handmade items online on websites like Etsy or at craft fairs. These are just a few ideas to get you started. There are many other side hustles that you can consider. The most important thing is to choose something that you're passionate about and that you're good at. 3. Save money. Make sure to save a portion of your income each month and invest it in a diversified portfolio. There are many ways to save money. Here are a few tips. Create a budget. This will help you track your income and expenses so you can see where your money is going. Automate your savings. Set up a system to automatically transfer money from your checking account to your savings account on a regular basis. This will help you save money without even thinking about it. Set financial goals. Having specific goals will help you stay motivated to save money. Do you want to buy a house? Save for retirement? Once you know what you're saving for, it will be easier to stick to your budget. Cancel unused subscriptions. Do you really need that Netflix subscription? Take a close look at your subscriptions and see if there are any you can cancel. Pay off your debt as quickly as possible. The sooner you pay off your debt, the less interest you'll pay. 4. Live below your means. Living below your means is a fundamental principle for achieving financial security and reaching your long-term goals. It's about spending less than you earn and strategically allocating the remaining amount towards savings and investments. Unexpected expenses are a reality. By living below your means, you create an emergency fund to cover car repairs, medical bills, or unexpected job loss. This financial buffer provides peace of mind and prevents you from going into debt when life throws curveballs. Every dollar saved today grows over time, thanks to compound interest, and brings you closer to achieving your financial aspirations. The more you save and the less you rely on debt, the more control you have over your financial future. 5. Seek knowledge and professional help. Educate yourself. Read books, listen to podcasts, and take courses to learn about investing and personal finance. Consider a financial advisor. A qualified advisor can assess your risk tolerance, financial goals, and create a personalized investment plan. While there's no guaranteed formula for becoming rich, by following these strategies, you can significantly increase your chances of building substantial wealth and achieving financial security. Remember, true riches extend beyond just money. It's about having the freedom to pursue your passions, live comfortably, and face the future with confidence. Take control of your finances today, and watch your wealth grow steadily over time. I hope this video helps you in being one step closer to your financial goals. Please give a thumbs up on the video if you have enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more wealth creation tips. I'd see you in the next video. Bye.